Well, it's been 3 months since I started my channel, and if you want to stay tuned, I'll let you know what my 5 whys are and how it's going. Hi, my name is Jacqueline. Welcome to my channel. So 3 months ago, I decided to just start. Having a YouTube channel has always been on my bucket list. Well, not to say always, but at least in the last 5-6 years. So I said, what am I waiting for? I'm not getting any younger. I'm not getting any thinner. I won't magically become a brunette. So why not start now? So I did. So I started with 30 or 31 days of shorts, and I was pretty happy. I had lots of views, and I didn't have any negative feedback, which is great because that was one of the worries I had. But so far, so good. And I've received, let's say, 19,000 views so far, 104 watch hours. I have 70 subscribers. Now, I know that's not a lot, but it's 70 subscribers I didn't have when I started this journey in May. I know some of them are, of course, my family and some friends, but that's okay. Eventually, I will find my people, or my people will find me and subscribe to my channel. So, there's nowhere to go but up, as they say. My click-through rate is 2.6%, I believe. I think anything over 2% is good, so I'll take that. So far, I have 49 videos, so 49 shorts and 1 long, and I guess after this one it'll be 2 long. And I have lots of ideas for content. My channel is primarily about art and furniture makeovers, decoupage, all the things. And now for my whys. The first one was the bucket list. The second one is to inspire. I hope to inspire anyone that's watching to perhaps pick up a paintbrush and paint something that they're inspired by. It could be their garden or a photo they've seen on Pinterest, or something that I've painted, or maybe they have a piece of furniture that their grandmother used to have and love, and it's just sitting there collecting dust. How about painting it, adding some decoupage paper, or perhaps just restoring it and add some oil to make it look new again. My third goal was, of course, being monetized. That might take a while. I believe you need 1,000 subscribers. I have 70. And I think you need 4,000 watch hours. I have 104. So I still have a ways to go. But wouldn't it be nice if I was monetized, and then it would help me plan maybe an art retreat in Europe somewhere? I would love to attend one of those. That would be fantastic. My fourth goal, or my fourth why, I should say, not goals, they're whys. My fourth why is to keep my mind sharp. I'm not getting any younger, and I'm learning new things. I'm learning all the things, you know, how to make thumbnails, how to edit videos, how to post them, so on and so forth. And these are things that I never knew that I could do, and I'm learning how to do them. As I'm walking here in my garden, trying to find a spot that would be okay to film. And one of the other whys, and I think this is my most important why, is content in YouTube, as long as YouTube is here, is evergreen. And one day, when I'm gone, my grandkids will be able to take a look at my channel and get their grandma fix that to me means the world. And if I'm able to put a smile on their face when they're older, then this is all worth it. So I hope you join me on my journey, and hopefully this will inspire you. Maybe you will start your own YouTube channel, and I would love to see you grow. Thanks for watching, and of course, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and comment. I would love to see or read your comments. Thank you so much.